grade going up the high side of Rod Knocker. Need to take a little air out?
I think I'm gonna have to.
Gonna back her down or just do her there? Keep going passenger, you might kind of scuff up. Keep them spinning.
Passenger?
Yeah. Get that front end pointed more up first. Can you back up about 6 inches and bump it? A little more. You got about 3 more inches. About there. Now can you hit it hard? Perfect.
I still go, I was like, man, if he rolls that.
Last time he turned here and went up this face. Like right over here more. There's a pretty side hill right here last time we went up this way. It's a cool line.